Hi, today we are going to talk about Oracle Management Cloud. What is Oracle Management Cloud? It is actually a suite of next generation integrated monitoring management and analytics cloud services that leverage machine learning and big data techniques. It is designed for on premises cloud and third party cloud environment. Today I'm going to give a short demo on the installation of Oracle Management Cloud. It's very easy and simple, and it comprises of four steps. First, we need to create an instance, after which we need to create an user and assign the management cloud roles to the user. After we do that, we need to enable the licensing. So without wasting much time, let us go ahead with it. This is typically the dashboard of Oracle Cloud. Now to install Oracle Management Cloud, we need to actually enable Management Cloud. So as you can see, this is the Management Cloud. I'll enable it. And close this. You can see we have the option now of Management Cloud. Now we click on this and we see View details, open service console, and view account usage details. We will click on open service console. So this is the Oracle Management Cloud Service Console. You see, we have an option to create instance over here. So we'll click on this and provide the basic instance information. We'll just start with an instance name. We'll pick up a random name. Test demo. We will as no preference and click on next. Okay. Apparently they are not accepting that. Let me try with something else. Okay, it has taken it. So this is the confirmation page, and we'll go ahead and create the instance. It will take some time for the instance to get created. As you can see, the status here shows at creating service. So we'll wait for some time and allow this instance to be created. So here we are. As you can see, the test demo instance has been already created. Now what we are going to do is we need to create a user. So this is the information about the test demo. So let us go ahead and create an user for this for the Oracle Management Cloud service. This is the dashboard for creating a new user. What we had to do was from the previous page, we had to click on the user dashboard. And once we click on that, we come to this page. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add. So it is going to take me to another screen. As you can see, this is the typical screen for adding the users. So I'm going to provide the first name and the last name and email ID. On the username, we are going to click as use email as username, and we are going to go to the next page. So this is where we add the roles. We need to add the roles, give a management cloud role to our user. So we need to provide OMC external entitlement administrator. And here we need to give the OMC administrator. We need to add these two roles. And once we are done with that, we are going to click on finish. Now we already have a user created, so we are not going ahead with this user creation. So once more, we are back to the dashboard of the cloud services. And what we are going to do is we are now going to the management cloud service console. And we know that the service has been already created. The instance has been created. So the next step is we need to click on the OMC URL. Once we click on that, it's going to navigate and take us to the Oracle Management Cloud Console homepage. Okay, so let us go back to the Oracle Management. Okay, this is typically the page for Oracle Management Cloud. As you can see, we have a lot of options over here. For instance, we have the application performance monitoring, infrastructure monitoring, log analytics, IT analytics, configuration and compliance, orchestration, dashboards, mobile application. Now, before we start with anything, we need to actually take care of the licensing. So for the licensing, we need to go to security analytics. Okay, no, not here. So we are going to go to the last step now to enable the licensing. For licensing, we need to navigate to administration, and from there, we need to go to the entity configuration. Under entity configuration, we have licensing. So the first thing that we need to change is the license auto assignment. So we need to change the value from standard to from none to standard, and to configuration and compliance. Next, we need to enable the log collection, which is already done. As you can see, this has been SMA enrichment has been disabled. So we need to enable that as well. And finally, we need to select the entities. Once we do that, we are going to save it, and then we are all set to use the OMC. So as you can see, this is a pretty easy way of installing OMC and then monitoring all your entities. So please wait for another video of mine to give you the demonstration of the monitoring.